I lose $300 from this single trade, which I don't want you to make this another mistake whenever you wanted to start your trading, right? Or you are trading. So I'll show you some steps that you need to take so that you don't fall to this path, right? So on my screen, right, you see this is the trade that I did so that I lose. You see, after that I lose the $300, I have gained $48 back. But before I lose the $300, I have gained $20, right? So what is the mistake that I did here that make me lose this huge amount, right? The thing is that the secret they didn't tell you about crypto is that when you want to start crypto, you need money. It's not about just starting with $10, $20. If you want to make more money, it's because I want to make bigger money. That's why I lose trade on this particular website, right? So I'll just show you guys some steps that you can take so that you will not be a victim of these things anymore, so that mistakes, right? So if you check my other trade right here, you see that I haven't lose money on this particular website, right? So this is my first lose and it's big, and it's big one at $300 from a single trade, right? So which I'm going to show you guys some steps that you can take. See, as I'm getting small money right here, small money right here, $2, $19, $28, right? So what do I did wrong? I want to show you guys and tell you the simple trick that you can do. This is a future trading, right? So what you need to understand is that if you check the front of this trade, you see that this trade is for one volume. This trade is one volume, right? So what you need to understand is that when we are talking about the one volume, the amount of money they will charge you when this is increasing or decreasing will be higher, right? Than the one that you see right here, the one that I have 0.25 trading volume, 0.05 trading volume, and I have 0.1 trading volume where which you see that I make $1, $2, $12, $1, $5, $28, and I make this in a single day, right? So if I calculate everything together, it's up to like $100 plus, right? So if I want to make more money, so I still need to make I need more money. So if you are someone that wanted to start with $5, $10, the advice I will give to you now is that start with the trading volume of 0.1, right? So that's the low risk. Yeah, you will not lose money on this particular thing. But the thing is, when you want to get started, do you have strategy knowledge about the market? Do you know how to follow the market? Like how to know what is trending and what you need to know before you start trading on this platform. So I'll just show you right now how you can do this and start keeping money and increase your money. So let me show you simple things around this thing is that when I make this $48 at one volume, right? So when I come and check right here, you see that I opened the opening time is there and the opening price is there, which is $104,000, right? 363 right here. So and I close it at 104,411. If you see the margin difference between these, it's not too much. I think it's just up to like almost like let's say 50, just like 50. They just add 50 to it, and I get $48 from these things when I use the trading volume of one, right? So let me go to the trading volume of two to see the difference between these things. I open the price at 105 and then $189,000, right? So and I close it at 105 $199. You see the difference between this is just 10, like 10 I make $20. So imagine it is margin of 20, I make up to like $40, the amount that I make. So the higher you increase the volume, the money that you will lose in this online space when you are trading with a crypto or forex in this things, right? So let me just move down and show you the volume of 0.1 and see the difference. So for me to make $5 with 0.5, you see I trade at 109,582, and I because I sell, so it keep reducing back for me to make profit, right? So this is 109,530 dollars right here. So if you see the difference is that almost 50 and I get $5. Check the back then that I did almost 50 and I get $48, right? So you see the difference between it. So that's what we call a low risk and a high risk. The more money you have in your account, the more you go into the volume. But if you are someone that have nothing less than $50, try to go with the low volume, which is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5. That will be the easiest way for you. So when you start growing, start scaling up from these things, even if you are to lose just like $1, then you recover back within that day, right? So that's how you make money when it comes to trading. So you need to follow some steps, some strategy So if you want to learn more about this, I want to grow more in this trading right now. So what you need to do is smash the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and go to the comment section, then type forex trading right here, which I will reply to you guys, right? So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share these videos with others.